Honda is turning heads again with an incredible test of strength on the all-new 2026 Honda Passport TrailSport. In a jaw-dropping demonstration, Honda suspended three unmodified Passport TrailSport vehicles end-to-end using a 140-foot crane, all supported by the front recovery points of a single sport utility vehicle. Those recovery points held over 14,000 pounds. The new Passport TrailSport and TrailSport Elite are the first Honda light trucks equipped with easily accessible heavy-duty front recovery points. Painted bright orange for visibility, each cast iron loop is engineered to support twice the weight of the Passport. These points are powder-coated to fight corrosion and are designed to detach in a front-end collision, keeping safety front and center. Honda's patented design is a first of its kind globally and pushes for best-in-class safety ratings. The demonstration featured Passports built in Alabama, with all fluids drained and transmissions set to neutral. The top vehicle reached an impressive 100 feet into the air. Honda is clearly not holding back with the 2026 Passport TrailSport. If you enjoyed this, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates.